Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Kindergarten math quiz. Let's get started. What do you get if you add 1 and 1? Three, 2, 1. That's right, it's 2. Let's try another one. 2 plus 3. Three, 2, 1. Great, the answer is 5. Take a look at this. 5 minus 2. Three, 2, 1. Nice work. It's 3. Can you figure this out? 4 plus 1? Three, 2, 1. Awesome. That's 5. Quick question. 6 minus 3? Three, 2, 1. Yes, it's 3. Let's keep going. 3 plus 2? Three, 2, 1. You got it. That's 5. Here comes a tricky one. 7 minus 4. Three, 2, 1. Well done. It's 3. Ready for this? 2 plus 2? Three, 2, 1. Correct. That's 4. Try this one. 5 plus 1. Three, 2, 1. Great job. It's 6. What do you think? 8 minus 5? Enjoying the quiz? Like and subscribe for more. 3, 2, 1. Nice. The answer is 3. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Keep going. Back to math. Can you solve this? 1 plus 4? Three, 2, 1. That makes 5. What about this one? 6 minus 2? Three, 2, 1. Good thinking. It's 4. Here's another. 3 plus 3. Three, 2, 1. Well done. That's 6. Give this a try. 9 minus 6. Three, 2, 1. Yes, it's 3. How about 2 plus 5? Three, 2, 1. Correct. That's 7. Try this. 7 minus 3. Three, 2, 1. Well done. It's 4. Let's do one more. 4 plus 4? Three, 2, 1. Great. That's 8. Almost there. 10 minus 7. Three, 2, 1. Nice work. It's 3. One more. 5 plus 3. Three, 2, 1. You got it. That's 8. Final question, 6 minus 1. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. It's 5. Great job! Keep practicing and have fun with math. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!